TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 32. You get the NASDAQ up 11. S&P's a flat. Gold contracts up at $1.20 at $12.14 an ounce. You have silver up 8 cents, $17.23 an ounce. Platinum's down $4, $9.71 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 80 cents, trading at 261. Sorry about that. Copper down a penny at 261 a pound. Light sweet crude down 96 cents at $51.52 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note down 9 ticks, 124.30. 30-year bond off 26 ticks, 152.16. Now, both notes and bonds, they were pushing into their higher swing points yesterday with volume. Bottom line, you're backing down today with lighter volume. That's saying bonds and notes continue to want higher price. King dollar. King dollar is up 330 ticks, trading at 100.650. What you had with King dollar yesterday is this. It goes down over 1,000 ticks, has wide price spread, has huge volume. You get a bounce coming out here today. It looks like good old King dollar is setting up a very large ABC structure on the way down. That'll take it, of course, under the 100 price point. I suspect the next leg down is going to get you somewhere into the 99 price point. What you do have is that when you busted the 100.600 mark, that is a failure on price, failure on volume, and you went through it, and you went through it with conviction. The euro is trading at 106, and the yen is at 113.38. If we go over and take a look at the SPY, what you have is this, folks. Yesterday you pull back on lighter volume. That's setting up another spike higher. Bottom line is that we had out here yesterday in the SPY, you came back with 61 million shares. That's light volume. This thing's not done. It's going to go test whether it's going to the 227.75 level. Right now you're at 226.44. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. Same type of setup inside the Dow. Dow Industrials this morning got down to 19,739. Rejected it. Had lighter volume yesterday. You're coming into the December 30th level. And, in order to break the December 30th level, too, you're going to basically not need a lot of volume, but you're going to need some. It was 800 million that day. We go over to the NASDAQ Composite. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. So the Composite yesterday also pulled back, light volume. You rejected lower price today, and it's how we go up today. This is what's really going to be cool, folks. If we can go up today, and you can go up with about 100 million less than we went down with yesterday, that is giving us information that the bottom line is that this is building cause to go downtown. The three Qs pulled back, dramatically lighter volume yesterday. What we did here is that we only had 14.5 million on the pullback. That is saying 3 Qs, they're going to go after the high again, which is 123.37, which, by the way, makes sense, too, because what you're going to see at the beginning of next week, you get a lot of those NDX stocks that are coming out with their numbers. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract had the price spread, had the volume, had all the above. This little baby wants higher price. You get a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. What I expect you're going to see here, this won't back off, so it's going to get really interesting watching this thing shake out. We've already done 110 million contracts, 110,000 contracts rather, and it's not backing off. Good old gold contract wants up to this 1251 area. Silver, same type of setup in silver. And what you have with silver, exact same deal. Won't back off. Has the volume behind the move. You've done 28,000 contracts. As silver, we're at 1724. Silver takes out 1729. That thing can be at 1895 in a heartbeat. And good old King dollar. King dollar is setting up a nice ABC structure on the way down, and it's a beauty, by the way, too. You can take the A point out here at the high of 103. 810 down to 100. So it's a monster, and we just might get to the 91. That would get us to the 95 level pretty quickly. So bottom line, you can expect high volatility. I expect we're going to bounce today, and that bounce is going to be on light volume. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.